Yeah, so welcome guys. Yeah, what do we have? We have the Dongcheng Dczc 13. It's actually a cordless rotary hammer. If you go on our site, you will see on the GZ site, you see all about this rotary hammer. But over here today, we are going to do the unboxing and as well usage of this power tool. You can see it comes with a 12 volt battery, an extra battery, 12 volt extra battery. It comes with a drill bit. This is a drill bit. This is a drill bit. It comes with a charger for the 12 volts. It comes with a charger, and it has a 6 mm concrete SDS drill bit. This is for the SDS drill bit. And also it has a drill bit. This is a metal drill bit. You can use this for also wood. While this is your SDS for concrete and only for concrete. This is your chalk head. It comes with a chalk head of 13 mm chalk head. You can see it. You can see it. So for anything you can change it. And this is the big guy, a very small and powerful tool. Very small and powerful Dongcheng rotary hammer. The cordless rotary hammer, you see it. Very small and powerful. So you can get it at GZ Industrial Supply. We are going to test this and see how it works. Look at over here, you have the battery. You pull the battery off. This is the battery, 12 volt battery, like I showed you. So it comes with the 2 batteries. Insert it, and over here you can set it to be your hammer. You can set it for drill. This is actually for drill. You can set for your hammer. So let's see how it goes. The sound of this. So we are going to test this and see the efficiency of this machine, how it works and the power of this machine. We're going to test it against a wall outside so we can see how it works and we confirm the power and efficiency of this tool. So let's go. Okay, so this is our SDS drilling bit. I'm just going to put it down. You click this down. Then you put it, it goes in. So it goes in. That's it. And I'm going to test it against this wall to see how it works. These are SDS drilling bits for concrete wall. It back, comes out. So this is the power of the Dongcheng Cordless Rotary hammer. You can see it. The 12 volts battery. You can see it. Put it again. So you are going to see it. Do that close. This is the Dongcheng Cordless Rotary hammer. This is the SDS, this is the metal drilling bit, and this is the driver drill bit. You might be wondering, how can this be done? How can you use this and this? It's actually simple. You don't need to remove this head. You don't need to remove it. You just need to put it, plug it in here, plug it in, and then it sets. You can see it, it sets. Can't go out, it won't go out. Then you just have to put your metal drilling bit, this 6 mm, you put it and then you tight it. You tight it, this is it. So now this is how it works. You can see it. I'm going to try it on this over here. how this works. It's actually used for concrete, SDS drilling bit. This is used for it, and then this is used for the metal. So if you want to, you can just pull it off. You just have to remove it. You remove it, and then you want to run a drill, a screwdriver drill. You can put either your star head or your flat. You can just put it in, and you lock it up. And you lock it up, and it works. Same way it works. So it has 3 bits in it, and with your chunk head for your metal drilling bit, and this head is for your SDS concrete reinforced wall drilling bit head. So this is it. See the power, highly penetrating. As it penetrates, that's the power of the Dongcheng Dczc 13. Dczc 13. So you're welcome. You can go online and ask us, GZ Industrial Supplies, and we're going to deliver to you all over Nigeria. We are reliable, we are trustworthy, and we can deliver. Thank you.